This is the MonDak OilField Review with host Jason Spees.
My name is Jason Spees, and this is the MonDak OilField Review, heard on the Crude Life Media Network. On today's episode, we talk with Josh Swanson with Vogel Law Firm. Swanson gives an update on the ongoing battle with the state of North Dakota and several North Dakota mineral rights owners in a bizarre case that just doesn't seem to go away. In just a moment, part of our exclusive interview with Josh Swanson with Vogel Law Firm, right here on the MonDak OilField Review. It seems everywhere I go these days, someone is telling me about the success of Hatch coaching. Listen to what professional speaker Mark J. Lindquist has to say.
He is a person in this market and now in markets across the country with Hatch coaching that is revolutionizing the way people approach the business. He's reinventing the way people look at the people model. That's why he brings in hundreds of people from all over the country who are trying to figure out how to do what he's doing in their market.
For more information, call 701-212-1572 or visit coachingwithhatch.com. That's coachingwithhatch.com. Welcome back to the MonDak OilField Review. My name is Jason Spees. Up next, Josh Swanson with Vogel Law Firm.
Yeah, and I think, Jason, that there are a lot of folks in the state legislature that tried to do right by this. And I don't want to come across as signaling them out and damning them, because there are a lot of them that put a lot of time and thoughts and work into the bill. The problem was you had folks from different state agencies and certain legislators that were insisting that a new survey be done. There was no need to do a new survey. The ordinary high water mark line that has been the basis for oil and gas companies that have been leasing minerals for the last 60 years, based on the ordinary high water mark line set by the Army Corps of Engineers when they acquired property for Lake Sakakawea. Now, if you think about that, that makes pretty good sense. The United States government just didn't go out there willy-nilly in the 1950s and arbitrarily pick a line and say, okay, here's the property we're going to take and acquire, and here's where the lake's going to be. They put in many, many different factors, including an on-the-ground investigation to determine where that line would be for the property they were going to take. Well, if you think about it, what's one thing that these engineering firms can't do nowadays in 2017 and 2018? They can't do an on-the-ground survey because the historic Missouri River is underneath Lake Sakakawea. So there is not a single shred of scientific evidence or a good basis for Winkin Associates to say that, no, what the Army Corps of Engineers decided was wrong, where the historic river existed in the 1950s, even though the Corps was out there on the ground making that determination in the 1950s. Somehow Winkin Associates is saying 60 years after the fact removed, they're in a better position than the United States was to determine where that line was.
To listen to the full-length interview with Josh Swanson from Vogel Law Firm, or to listen to other MonDak OilField reviews, visit thecrudelife.com. That's thecrudelife.com. The MonDak OilField Review is part of the Crude Life Media Network. Check us out on Facebook and Twitter. All of our social media links are available at thecrudelife.com. From the staff of the MonDak OilField Review, my name is Jason Spees, asking you to keep calm and frack on.